You know, it's nice, you know, the work that I've put in to getting this truck to finally be able to do something like this, and things like this in the future are ridiculous. I've used my Accord like a Ridgeline or like a Tacoma. I just I don't know, thinking about it and finally being here, it's nice. I just thought it would be nice to have a day to myself to just decompress. Oh my god, the mats, holy whatever. Just, you know, all this school stuff, like from graduation and all of these events, it's just kind of made me overwhelmed. Not really overwhelmed, but just, I think I need a day of rest. So I took out this day to just enjoy nature. There's a Crown Victoria. Interesting. I just thought it was a good idea to take a few hours out of my day with my truck and just, you know, this is the closest thing nearby that I can call somewhat off-roading. But I needed a day like this. I don't know, it's been busy and rough, and I don't know, I'm that type of person that just needs personal time to myself. I think everyone does, and I think it's just good to enjoy nature. I don't know, I sound like a tree hugger, but this is like the third time or fourth time I've been up here at the Frederick Watershed up in Thurmont in Maryland. It's nothing serious. I mean, there's people with like Civics and Cadillac CT5s or whatever, the Cadillac ATSs and stuff that go fishing and hunting and just hiking. So it's nothing crazy. This is like two-wheel drive capable, Honda Civic capable, but it's interesting. I mean, there's some parts which can be slightly technical, nothing compared to some rock crawlers, but I'll just shut up and let's just carry on. Honestly, you get a really good workout from filming. I don't know how you guys do this. Like Jason, I mean, I know my turn signals are like that, but they're fine normally. But Jason and like everyone else who just does these stuff, like, how do you do this? I mean, that's a lot of exercise. It's working up an appetite, but I'm gonna eat later. Let's keep going. Now, I thought about doing this the last time I was here, but those are some pretty deep ruts. You can't really tell from the camera, but I think I'd get high centered even with 4 low or 4 high. So let's not do that. I'm just gonna keep going. It's pretty tame so far. There was one place, I've been through this little mud hole a few times on this way here, and there was someone parking there actually, so I couldn't do that. I hit the camera. But it's just epically pretty here. This really helps because I'm parched from running so much. It's like 75, 80 degrees. It's not terrible, but just this trail, I love it in the summer. I'm like right in the middle, so I keep looking behind me. But in the summertime, it's gorgeous. It's like, I don't know. It's like, it's almost like our backyard, but it's an hour away from my house. But oh boy, I'm tired. Super Outback. So, I mean, it's really not that hard of a trail. I mean, oh God. I mean, this is a majority of it. This is like people's driveways, I'm pretty sure. I mean, like if you go up to Massachusetts, I mean, this might be the road. Not Massachusetts, Michigan. Michigan roads in the city, I bet. Like Detroit, I bet this is better than that. So, I don't know. But it's just a really nice place to just chill out. And, I mean, to be safe, I mean, like, if you just want to be a civilized driver, you're not breaking second gear with this. So that happens a lot. Those, signs, I don't think you saw it. I don't know. But a problem here, I might talk about this later, but a problem here in Maryland is that there's not too many places that we can actually go riding, just because of a lot of stupid people doing stupid things. And I'll talk about that later because I don't want to be filming and driving, just because that's not really ideal. But yeah. I think this is a good stopping point. Well, break point. The first thing to get this out of the way, this is my first time at Checkers. I haven't eaten the sandwich yet. I already forgot. Let's see. I forgot what sandwich this is. This is the Champ? I don't know, but it was the combo. I really don't remember, and it's not like I go to Checkers that often anyway. I look like I do, but I don't. But one thing to get off the agenda about what I was just talking about earlier is a problem that we have in Maryland, especially. I mean, I don't know how it is in other states or other areas, but like the trails on the left and the right of me, they're both blocked off and locked with gates. And those used to be, I mean, I wasn't around here to see it, because I've just started to be going up here like last summer, and they were already closed then. But I recently, I mean, I don't know, I've been just talking to people and looking at forums online and a bunch of stuff, and I don't know, it's just a few years ago, I guess, I mean, a while ago, because even people that I've talked to, I know I'm rambling, but these trails used to be open before for like to the public. Like these used to be, you know, 4x4 trails, and they look pretty decent. Like the one that I'm looking at now looks fun, and the one on my right, that's my right, yeah, that one is, I mean, I don't know, it kind of sucks that the people that actually try to be respectful and nice to our area, oh my god, these gnats, but it's kind of annoying that just because people, well, I mean, that's just what happens, I guess, that's consequences. Just one person can affect the whole 4x4 community up in Maryland. And it's kind of annoying because of this, like here, trails are blocked off. Green Ridge State Park trails are blocked off. So really, this is all we have, just these gravel roads with ruts in them. It's kind of annoying. I know there is a group out there, I think on Facebook, I forgot the name, but they've been working to try to get some trails reopened again, because there's so much land here that just, I don't know, there's so many possibilities for such like a fun time. So I don't know, that's like a little bit of a conversation. I don't know if you guys are listening. Thank you if you are. But I don't know, it kind of blows, because like, wow, we have to go to like Virginia and Pennsylvania and West Virginia, and I don't know about Delaware if they have anything, but personally where I am in Maryland, like right in the middle, I have to drive at least an hour and a half to get to something more than this. This is an hour drive. Down in Virginia, there's Peters Mill Run, which is not like this. It's more dirt, and it's a little bit more interesting and articulate, and I don't know, it's an actual trail. I haven't been down there. I was planning to go this weekend, but I don't know, things happened. But I don't want to go down there that far myself, so one of the truck groups that I'm with, Old Bay Tacos on Facebook, they were planning a trip down there, and I was really excited to go, and then something popped up and I can't really go anymore. So that kind of sucks. I realized I'm just talking to you guys. I don't usually do that, but service is spotty up here, and now I guess I have service. I made $1 from that drive. Let's just try this sandwich, because it's probably cold by now, because it's been like an hour. That's ASMR. Okay, I don't know. There's the receipts somewhere. Today is June 4th, actually. I can't believe how fast time is gone. There's my phone again. But I don't know, it feels like May just flew by, like, especially May was like the busiest month for us at school, because of graduation and then all of the senior exams and then final projects, like big projects and essays, and I don't know, it kind of just like, snuck up on me, and it's weird that I'm going to college next year. I don't know, like, any seniors out there, well, yeah, any seniors and rising freshmen in college that are watching, how do you guys feel? I don't know. It's weird. So I really forgot. I don't know. I have bad memory. Why? I'm not a food reviewer. I'm not Damn Drops. Look like him. Size-wise, I don't know. No. That's awkward. It's fine. I don't mean to smack my lips. I don't know. It's okay. I'm gonna keep eating, and then we'll get back to it. Okay.
I woke up
So that hill behind me, that is the infamous hill from that very first time I came here. Actually, that wasn't the first time. That was the second time, but that was the first time I came here in the snow. So this is that infamous hill, or at least one of them that caught some people. I actually, no, this wasn't the bad one, but this was the one hill that I caught all the trucks lined up. This was like 20 Toyotas and a few Jeeps and Honda Pilots, which was cool. But this was that hill. I'm really surprised how much it's snowing already. Like, there's like half an inch already. Wow. Look at that. That's cool.
Woke up. Night out. Woke up. All today. Woke up. Night out. Days. Hey. All today. Woke up. Night out. Days. Days. Woke up. All today. Woke up. Night out. Days. Hey. Woke up. All today. Woke up. Night out. Somewhere. Turn left. On the ear high. Stay from ear high. On the somewhere. Somewhere. Turn left. On the ear high.
So you see this over here? This is another place that has been closed down again. This was another pretty cool thing to come here for. Last summer, my friend with the Tahoe, Julian, and I had Rex, my Lexus RX F Sport at the time, and we went up here. We didn't go all the way because that was our very first time up here, but we went up here, and this was open, and right after that snow run back in January, they closed it up. I don't know why they did that, because I really don't see why or how people could be disruptive through here. I don't know, but that's just another bummer that, I mean, it sucks. It honestly does. So, yeah. So, that was it. I mean, like I said, I told you guys, this was not anything challenging. I mean, look at the cars that they were there. There was a Civic Si, there was a Kia Spectra, Subaru Outback. Outbacks are pretty capable, but this was nothing for an Outback either. These are like really, like, I don't know. But it's just nice to get out and enjoy what we have, I don't know, and use my truck. Wow, it's not centered, but that's why I got my truck, to just get out and enjoy outside. Yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next video. I really don't know what's going on. I don't know. I'm figuring it out. I'm gonna be out for 2 weeks. Hopefully, well, definitely this summer I'll be back on reviews and stuff. I say this a lot. Whatever. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, peeps.